A psychiatric evaluation found a North Texas mother who's accused of killing her 6-year-old son incompetent to stand trial. Hello, everyone. I'm Steve Vieger. This is Fox 4 News at 9 o'clock. Cindy Rodriguez Singh is charged with capital murder in the disappearance of her 6-year-old son, Noel Rodriguez Alvarez. Noel was last seen alive in 2022, but police did not know about his disappearance until 2023. A court hearing is now set for next week on the new findings, and Fox 4's Amelia Jones has the latest on this investigation. Amelia.
Steve, the new court filing could essentially pause the court proceedings. Cindy Rodriguez Singh will likely undergo what's called competency restoration and then be reevaluated to see if she is fit for trial. Newly filed court documents in the case of Cindy Rodriguez Singh say a psychiatric evaluation found that she is incompetent to stand trial. Rodriguez Singh is charged with capital murder in the disappearance of her son, Noel Rodriguez Alvarez. The 6-year-old boy was last seen alive in 2022, but Everman police weren't aware of his disappearance until 2023. Now investigators believe the boy is dead, but his body has still not been found.
When they're declared mentally incompetent, it means they can't understand the nature of the proceedings or they're unable to assist their lawyer.
Russell Wilson is a former Dallas County prosecutor not involved in the case. He says this effectively causes a pause in the proceedings, meaning there won't be talks of a possible plea deal or getting more information from Rodriguez Singh, which hurts both sides.
Trying to say the details of what exactly transpired beforehand when the person's memory and mental state is compromised, I think it's difficult for both sides.
Rodriguez Singh was placed on the FBI's most wanted list after she fled to India with her husband and other children, leading to an international manhunt. She was taken into custody in August of last year and brought back to Tarrant County. All the Tarrant County District Attorney's Office would share with Fox 4 is that Rodriguez Singh underwent a competency evaluation in March, and the results are sealed. Wilson says she will likely undergo what's known as competency restoration and be reevaluated in the future.
Usually a person's competency can be restored through medications, and then they are interviewed and there's a report that's generated, and when the competency is restored, then the proceedings can go forward.
Another hearing is set next week for Rodriguez Singh's competency. Wilson says that competency restoration treatment, if that's what's ordered, can last anywhere between 90 to 120 days. Steve.
All right, that's Amelia Jones reporting live. Amelia, thank you.